Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Since it's a party season with possibility of eating a lot and drinking a lot, this week I'll show you acupressure points for acid reflux and indigestion. I have shared some acupressure points already 7 years ago, but these are some others that you can try. There are many acupressure points that you can try for certain symptoms. Some work better than others, so try them and find the ones that work for you. The first one is by the neck. This is called Stomach 11 or ST11. It's diagonally above the inner end of the collarbone. It's easier to see it if you turn your head to the side. It's between the two heads of the neck muscle called sternocleidomastoid, which splits into two and attaches to the sternum and clavicle. Press them as you breathe deeply for 1 minute. You can press both sides at the same time, but don't press too hard because they're by the neck. These points will help to let the gas out or burp easier. The second one is 2 finger widths below the sternum. This is called conception vessel 14 or CV14. This point is good for reflux in general, including nausea and vomiting. The third one is 4 finger widths above the belly button and 4 finger widths below the last one. This is called conception vessel 12 or CV12. This point is good for stomach and digestive issues. Press these points with index finger or middle finger supported by index and ring fingers as you breathe deeply for 1 minute. Again, no need to press hard as your front must be very sensitive during the digestive problem. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, or simply happy holidays to you all. And feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.